Now where the postings are made, take your microfour tape and pull some little pieces off, probably whatever length that is, between 3 and 4 inches. And I did use more, but 2's probably okay. It lasts about 3 days, I suppose. So you pull them off just to length. It's easier to do that than trying to struggle when you're trying to get it into the dog's ears. Right, where is he? There he is. Right. Boy. What you do is pull the ear up, and in the pocket there, you've got to get it down into that little pocket there. If you're going to be a good boy, Jax. Push it down. There it goes, and it just slips in nicely. Make sure you pull the ear up and just stick it to the top.
The adhesive side, is it?
Yeah, and that sticks to the ear. Just get a piece of tape, not too tight, and just take it around. And there we go. His ear can breathe because he's got a bit of, that's actually a bit too short, that could have been a little bit longer, but there's a bit of space there for it to breathe. And we just do one a little bit lower down, being careful. There's a little fold there, we don't want to bend the fold the wrong way, so what we do, we go follow it round, take it round, just meet the other side, and that's pretty much it. Just make sure it's nice and snug in there.
It should be a little bit taller.
Yeah, just a little bit taller.
Longer.
But you've got a bit of space there, so his ears can breathe, which is quite nice.
Jax, that good?
He's a good boy. Yeah, good boy.
Okay, do the next one.
Pop that in the same.
I'm going to show you a little bit more. Can we just see that little bit there? Go.
That's the ear. That's the ear. Pop him in there if we can get him in again. Right there. There we go. Pop it in. These are a bit too short actually. Yeah, they're a little bit too short. But should be okay. A little bit of tape around the top again. Good boy. He's such a good boy. Yeah. Boy. And he's so used to it. He doesn't mind too much. I think it's a nice tickle. And put that round there, like that. Yeah.
Good boy. And then if you want them to stand more upright, we'll get some more of that tape, Darren, and put them up. Stay still, Jax.
We did that at the start, didn't we? Right. You can get a little bit more tape like that. Just tape it from that side across. Just bring that round. Looks a bit messy, but if you wanted to keep them up a little bit more, you could do that. Even wrap another piece around the back. But we haven't actually had to do that because they seem to have stayed up quite well. Yeah. I think it's more important just that there's a nice little space for it to breathe, really. They are a little bit short because look, they're just there. Maybe it should be a little bit longer on the top there. He's
had a little growing spurt.
There you go, mate.
There you go, Jax.
Ears are longer now.
You happy, Jax? Are you happy? Good boy.